So now I've got all the pieces I need, the components that will make up this jig. I've got my fence pieces all pre-cut. My back support, the fence support cut, and the base of the jig. I've got my bottom slide rail, and then I've got my fence box construction pre-cut. I bought these star knobs on Amazon. These are M6 for $14 for a bag of 10. They may be cheaper or more expensive in some other countries, but I can definitely tell you for where I am, if I were to buy these at the hardware store or at the home store, these would cost probably about $3 a piece, I believe is what they were selling them for, or something similar. I'm so far been able to make, including this jig, about 4 jigs using these knobs. The bolts I bought at my local home store, which in hindsight I should have bought these online at Amazon as well, because they actually were kind of difficult to find because everything here is in imperial measurements and these are metric. The next step is to complete the box and then join the sled to the box. Now I've already marked where I want the sled to join to the side of the fence, and then we'll add the supporting piece at the back after that. I'm just going to shin up this miter rail so that I'm ready to glue this to the bottom of my jig. So to take you on a tour of this wonderful jig, it's super easy to put on. Slides nice and square, using the fence obviously to square it up. For extra support and stability, it also has the miter rail. This is 100% adjustable. It's easy to move the blocks in and out. You can do your initial vertical cuts and then you can flip it over and do a horizontal cut. It's designed to work with these little quick clamps. I bought a pack of these, I think 4 of them for $30. It was really a good deal. You just set up your first stop block and then you sandwich it between the 2 blocks and then we make the cut. Well, I'm really happy with how this jig turned out. It's really easy to work with. It essentially is a smaller version of a cross-cut sled, but with a little more precision to make the joinery cuts that I need. This makes it really easy to do bridle joint cuts, and you could also use it for some tenons as well. I might make a few minor adjustments, but overall I'm really happy with the results. The fit, as you can see, is getting better with every cut. It just goes together nice and snug. I could pretty much put a dowel through this with a tiny bit of glue and that's all I would need. This is going to be a nice snug joint. I hope you found this video useful. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Thanks for watching and have a great day.